Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can unban someone from your Facebook page. Before I proceed to today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Log into your Facebook from any browser and go to your pages. Select your page. Scroll down on your left hand side and go to settings. Scroll down until you find people and other pages. Click on people who like this page. From the drop down menu, click banned people and pages. Here you will find all the people that you have banned from your page. Now select the person to unban and move rightwards. Select on the setting icons over here and unban from page. Facebook will be reconfirming with you about unbanning that particular person from your page. Click on confirm and the person has been unbanned from your page. As you can see, nobody is banned from the page. Now the unbanned person can view, like and follow your page. And that's how you'll be able to unban a person from your page. Subscribe to watch more videos like this. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. And hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.